This is the second chapter, third chapter of trigonometric functions in class 11, and we are going to solve out Ncert exercise 3.2. Already exercise 3.1 I have put in my playlist of Golden Horizons Academy. Now in this, the very first question is the find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions in which one of the value is given here, cos x equals to minus some where x lies in the third quadrant. My dear, before solving these questions, this type of questions from questions number 1 to question number 5 of this syllabus, we have to know two main things. Number one, you must have to know the concept of quadrants. So concept of quadrants means we have 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. One more important term you have to know it, mug it up. This was, मैं जब अपने क्लास में था मैं इस तरह से याद करता था. यहाँ पर लिखा था all silver tea cups. यानी कि यहाँ पर जितना भी सिंबल्स है सब, यहाँ पर हर का साइन प्लस होता है, हर ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का साइन प्लस होता है. So all trigonometric ratios are positive. In this silver, S for silver, so sin theta, that means here only sine and cosec, only sine theta and cosec theta, reciprocal of this, are positive. In this T for tan, that means tan theta is positive and cot theta is positive. And here C for cup, C for cos, cosecant theta is positive. Here cos theta is positive and secant theta is positive. So all silver tea cups you must remember. One more thing, this is the very first thing you must know, and the second thing is the few formulas we have. Number one, we know that Pythagoras theorem. In the right angle triangle, suppose this is theta A, B, C, so AC square equals to BC square plus AB square. So this is what is Pythagoras theorem. This you must know. And one more, this is number 1, this is number 2, and one more, the most important theorem, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta equals to secant square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta. So these 3 terms we must know to solve the trigonometric functions of your Ncert 3.2 exercise. Now let us start the question number 1. Here they have asked us cos x, where x lies in the third quadrant. X lies in the third quadrant. So first, second, third. In the third quadrant, cos is negative, so secant will be negative. Only tan and cot theta will be positive. So first, let me say you how to solve with the help of Pythagoras theorem in this question. So let us draw a triangle, name it as PQR, and this be x degree. So we can from here, so this is perpendicular, we say this is perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. So we have from this they have said you cos. We know that cos theta equals to, you must also know that some people have curly brown hair till painted black. Here see, that means cos is base by hypotenuse, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse, so this is 1 and this is 2. So from here we need to find out P. This P from here to here, using Pythagoras theorem, we have 2 square, that is 2 square equals to 1 square plus this P square. So 4 minus 1 equals to P square. So P equals to root 3. So here we know that it will be root 3. Now it has become very easy to write down the different terms. Let us go now the term number 1. We have cos x equals to, since this is in the third quadrant, cos will be negative. Then the reciprocal of cos is secant x, which is also in third quadrant, is negative, so make it reciprocal, so it will be minus 2 by 1. Then we have sin x. Sin x means perpendicular p by h, that is root 3 by 2. But sin x also lies in the third quadrant, it should be negative. Next, the reciprocal of cosecant sin x is cosecant x, so cosecant x equals to minus 2 by root 3. Now we need to find out tan x. So from here, tan x means p by b. Here it is root 3 by 1. We don't put here negative signs because tan x in third quadrant is positive. Therefore, cot x equals to 1 by root 3. This is also positive. In this way, with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we can find out all the values of trigonometric functions if it is given in this way. Now let us go with the question number 2. We can do in this way, but we'll go with the formula basis. It is given sin x equals to 3 by 5. We will use the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Here sin square is 9 by 25 plus cos square theta equals to 1. Therefore, cos theta equals to 1 minus 9 by 25 root over, which becomes 25 minus 9 is 16, that is 4 by 5 plus or minus. Now in the question it is given that sin x, here x is in second quadrant, here x is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive, cosecant is positive, but rest apart of this all are negative. So cos here, x will be here negative minus 4 by 5. Now let us write down here, sin is 3 by 5, therefore cosecant x equals to 5 by 3. Since it is in second quadrant, it will be positive. Then cos x equals to minus 4 by 5. Since it is in the second quadrant, cos is negative. Secant x equals to minus 5 by 4, reciprocal of cos x. Then we know that tan x means sin x by cos x. Here sin x is 3 by 5 and cos x is 4 minus 4 by 5, that is we get here minus 3 by 4. Similarly, cot x equals to minus 4 by 3. Here then question number 3 is cot x equals to 3 by 4, that is x belongs to third quadrant. So let us know this is the third quadrant. Here cot and tan are positive, rest all are negative. So this we can write as tan x equals to 4 by 3, or else we know one more formula, that is 1 plus cot square x equals to cosecant square x. So we can write down here 1 plus 3 square is 9, 9 by 16 equals to cosecant square x. 16 plus 9 is 25 by 16, root over equals to cosecant x, that is 5 by 4, plus or minus, since this is in the third quadrant. This is the third quadrant. In third quadrant cosecant is minus, so minus 5 by 4 equals to cosecant x. So now we got the values here. We got the cosecant x equals to minus 5 by 4. So from here we can write tan x equals to 4 by 3, cosecant x equals to minus 5 by 4, sin x equals to minus 4 by 5, cos x equals to cot x into sin x. Here cot x is 3 by 4 and sin x is minus 4 by 5. It gets cancelled, becomes minus 3 by 5. Now question number 4 and question number 5 of the exercise 3.2 are of the same pattern. So let us go with the question number 6. So before going to the question number 6, we should know that in which quadrant does it follow. We know the general formula sin 2n pi plus theta is sin theta, sin 2n pi minus theta is minus sin theta, sin of minus theta equals to minus sin theta, cosecant same as sin, you will get the same answers, and tan 2n pi plus theta equals to tan theta, and cot 2n pi minus theta equals to minus cot theta. So these are the things which you must know before you solve the question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the exercise 3.2. Now this 765, we have to write down this 765 in terms of this way. So what we can write this one as sin 765 means 360 into 2 is 360 into 2 is 720. So we can write here 360 into 2, that is 720 plus 45 plus pi by 4. That means what we are getting in this form. So finally what the answer it will be sin pi by 4, that is sin 45, and the sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So finally this answer can be written as 1 by root 2. Next, our next question is cosecant of this. We know that cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. So this we can write down as minus cosecant of 1410. Now this 1410 can be written as 360 into 4. So 400, 4 6 is 24, 4 2, 4 3 is 12, 13, 14. This is 1440. So we can write down this as minus cosecant. We can write 1440 minus 30. So what we are getting cosecant of minus theta. So cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta. So minus minus get cancelled off. We get here cosecant 30. So the answer of this is cosecant 30, and the cosecant 30 is nothing but, we know that the value of the cosecant 30 is 2. So we can write down here as 2. So our next question is tan 19 pi by 3. So 19 pi by 3 can written as tan 3686 pi 6 pi plus pi by 3. So this is in the form of tan this form. So this is tan pi by 3. That becomes tan pi by 3. Pi by 3 means it is tan 60. So the value of tan 60 is root 3. So we can write down here as root 3. Next, coming to this question, sine of minus theta. So we know that sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So this can be written as minus sine 11 pi by 3. So this can be written as minus sine 11 pi by 3 means we can write down here 4 3 is 12. That is 4 pi. So 4 3 is 12 minus pi by 3. So again sine of minus theta. This is minus sine theta. So we get here sine of minus gets plus sine of pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. So sine pi by 3 means 60 degree. We get here root 3 by 2. So this is equals to root 3 by 2. Our last question is cot of minus theta. So we know that cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. So this we can write down as minus cot 15 pi by 4. This can be written as minus cot. We can write down here 4 pi. 4 4 is 16 minus pi by 4. So again here minus sign is here. So we get here plus cot pi by 4. And the value of cot pi by 4 is nothing but 1. So our answer is 1. In this way, the exercise 3.2 has been completed from your Ncert book.